Hello, good morning. Today is August 21 and I am preparing to bring my daughter to her work and then we'll go somewhere else. See you. Hi guys, we're passing through Sheikh Zayed Road. This is E11 heading directly to Sharjah. And then we'll be passing at the Museum of the Future on our right side.
In 1 kilometer, keep left.
So this is Museum of the Future. If you happen to come here in Dubai, don't miss out Museum of the Future. That is one of the landmarks here in Dubai. Famous landmark here in Dubai. We will be exploring Dubai today and we're passing through Karama area. So the big day-to-day shopping mall. So yeah, we will explore the beauty of Dubai today. Kumanan lang tayo dito sa along Sheikh Rashid Road. So magsi-shortcut tayo kasi iiwasan natin yung salik. So be with me guys. Mauni siyang Dubai Frame, isa ni sa mga sa gwapo kaayong landmark dinhi sa UAE. Tsada kay ning Dubai Frame guys. So if you want to tour here in the UAE, don't miss out coming here at Dubai Frame. Guys, tingnan mo, makikita natin yung gagandang building dito sa UAE. Dubai Frames view from this side. So it's really beautiful. Guys, maganda puntahan dito. Kaya don't miss out kung magtutour kayo dito sa Dubai. Unan yung puntahan itong Dubai Frame. Maganda, maraming pasyalan dito. So ayaw kalimot, mga higala o tour diri sa Dubai Frame. We'll just pass through at the petrol station to refuel because I only have few petrol left. So magpa-petrol una ta para di ta mahutdan og gasolina guys, kay lisod mahutdan og gasolina diri kung taas-taas imuhang biyahe. So yeah, pag-gasolina sa ta. Guys, ay mong katingala ha, daghan kay abubot ang likod sa akong sakyanan kay gikan manggod ko nagbalhin from Abu Dhabi to Dubai. So tanan na ko junk nasa akong likod. Tanaw pa niyo pati akong cargo box. Akong gihansak dire. So sige lang. For as long as maigo ang gamit tanan, basta madala nimo tanan imong gamit. So kuan na to, i-plastar na to sulod, bahalang maghuot. So lessons learned guys, kinahanglan mag-minimize gyud ta gamit. Kung bisa asa ta paingon labi na nato OFW. So mag-minimize ta sa atong gamit kay kung magbalhin manggod ta, ang hirap. Hirap talaga dalhin yung mga gamit kung maglilipat na tayo, bigla ang lipat. So ang hirap bitbitin yung mga gamit lalo na pag wala kang sasakyan, wala kang masakyan. So kung bitbitin mo lahat yan, hirap talaga. Kaya tingnan mo yung likod ng sasakyan ko, punong-puno ng gamit yan, nabawasan na nga ng konti. So yan ang isa sa malaking lesson. Kailangan nating mag-minimize ng mga gamit, yung mga importante lang siguro. So ako parang I need to clutter na may gamit kasi it's very difficult to move around, especially if you're going to one place from another. So it's very difficult. So we have to minimize the things that we have. Only those important things you have to keep, clothes, things like that, and your documents. But other than that, it's a waste of money. I think it's a waste of energy and time, especially in moving from one place to another. So lessons learned. okay lang na mag-declutter na tayo. Marami naman ditong lagayan ng mga, yung magdo-donate ka ng mga damit, ng mga gamit na hindi mo na kailangan. So, baka i-donate natin yung iba nating mga gamit. Guys, we are heading to Business Bay. So, Burj Khalifa is located at Business Bay. So, Business Bay is a central business district in Dubai. This is a beautiful place to roam around. So, pag nagawi kayo dito sa Dubai, huwag niyong kalimutan gumala sa Business Bay o kaya directly sa Dubai Mall. Dubai Mall pa lang, Diyos ko. Ko na kay na nga suruyonon ang Dubai Mall. So, ngakon mog sinuroy des Dubai Mall. So, kung kaani mog Dubai, try to go to Dubai Mall and explore the place because it's a big mall, no? And be sure to bring water with you kay uhawon jud mo pag magsuroy-suroy mo sa Dubai Mall, mag-view mo diya. Be sure also to bring money for food. So, dahan-dahan lang tayo sa pagtakbo kasi 60 lang ang speed limit dito. Napakarami pang buildings na tinatayo dito sa Business Bay ngayon. Guys, I'm here at Al-Quds Cafeteria. Actually, this is Al-Quds Park. In front of Al-Quds Park is a cafeteria. I have been buying food here. If you are on a budget, roaming around Dubai, you know what, your 50 dirhams or 100 dirhams will make you full already. That's already a 1 day full of eating adventure if you're only eating out at cafeterias, because there are many foods offered at the cafeterias, no? When you say here in Dubai, when you say cafeteria, they offer coffee, they offer juices, soft drinks, chai karak. Chai karak is the #1 drink here, in which we always buy. They also offer sandwiches. Other cafeterias, they would offer like, a fast meal. So offer rice. So I already have my foods. Oh yeah, my chai karak, and I'll have to pay the brother. This is my breakfast for today. It's a cheese omelette paratha. So it cost me around like 3 dirhams. Yeah. It's chai karak. So it's a tea with milk. Only cost around like 2 dirhams. And for this water, how much I bought for this water? This is only 1 dirham. So less than 10 dirhams, you are already full. You can many eat outs here in Dubai. So you just have to explore and find it. Pakanan tayo dito. Tapos, yan na, sa unahan, kahit beach na. So, yan, yung puting yan. Ilaw yan na pagdating ng gabi, ino-open yan. At napakaliwanag ng area ng Kite Beach na safe talaga para sa mga nagna-night swimming. At saka meron talagang 24-hour on duty na mga lifeguards. So, it's safe. Tsaka naka-net yung part ng dagat na talagang ma-assure mo talaga sa sarili mo na kahit may dala kang bata, safe sa napaliguan. Ito yung Kite Beach. So under renovation pa rin, not much to see, pero during night time maganda mag-walking dito, mag-biking, napakahaba kasi nitong Jumeirah. So from Jumeirah 1 to 4 I think. So explore natin ito. Liko tayo dito, tapos diretso na tayo sa sa bilang dako ng Jumeirah. Sometimes pupunta kami dito, nag-i-scooter. So, gawin namin kasi medyo malamig paggabi, lalo na summertime. So, humid sa araw, tapos medyo may kalamigan sa gabi. Kaya, yeah. Let's get inside the fish market in Jumeirah. So, ito yon. Ito yung fish market nila, guys. So malapit siya sa fish port. So ito. Ang mga binebentang isda dito, they're selling really fresh fish. So the only red flag here is the parking. Maybe we can. So yes. Yeah, it's here. So this is the fish port, and there are boats. This is the Souk Al Bahar Fish Market and the surrounding stores selling vegetables. The Boaty Lounge near the fish market and the port. You can buy fresh fish here at an affordable price. Look at this fish. So fresh. This is the view of Jumeirah Fish Port. This is Jumeirah Street along Omsikim. And this is Omsikim Health Center. This is Wild Wadi. So if we're going to turn right, that's where Burj Al Arab is located. So this is the entrance of Burj Al Arab. Yeah, this one. And this is the entrance of Wild Wadi. So we'll be heading to Madinat Jumeirah. So it's something like a mall. There's a basement part over there. So we'll head there. Yeah, here. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Madinat Jumeirah at iikutin natin ang ganda ng actually parang mall siya eh. Mall na malapit siya sa Burj Al Arab at saka sa Jumeirah Hotel. So iikutin natin ang buong Madinat Jumeirah ngayon. So papakita ko sa inyo yung mga magagandang tanawin dito sa loob ng Madinat Jumeirah. Gaya niyan. Ayan oh, ang ganda ng decor. So, isa to sa mga shops na nagbebenta ng mga decoration. Na tingnan mo naman, ang gaganda ng mga designs. Talagang nagre-represent siya ng Arabic culture. So, yeah. Ito ang loob niya. Tapos babaybayin natin ngayon yung buong loob ng Madinat Jumeirah Mall. Para kasi siyang mall eh. So tatawagin ko siyang mall. Yung brand na yan, napakamahal ng brand na yan. So pang ano lang yan, pang swimming. So ikot-ikot tayo ngayon dito hanggang may first at saka second floor pa siya eh. So ito naman, tindahan siya ng perfume. Mostly sa mga paninda dito, nagre-represent siya ng culture nila. So, hi, hello.
Like something new? I give you this one, my friend.
No, not yet. So, meron nang nag-o-offer ng kung bibili daw ako ng paninda nila, bibigyan ako ng diskwento. So, wala ka, uumpisa pa lang natin eh. So, ikot muna tayo. Mamaya na ako magko-coffee kasi kakakapi ko lang. Kailangan muna nating mag-ikot-ikot. Actually, itong labasan nila maganda. Check natin. Meron silang dito rin oh. Wala pang gaanong tao ngayon kasi maaga pa lang eh. Maaga akong dumating dito. Kaya, yun. Maganda dito guys. Kaya lang medyo may kainitan. Yan, tingnan mo yung view. Doon pwede kang sumakay ng para siyang gondola tapos magbabayad ka ng kung magkano ang charge nila. So ikot-ikot lang muna tayo. Ito isa sa mga restaurants na open na. Meron namang restaurants dito na mga restaurants na pagbukas talaga nitong mall, bukas na rin sila. Pero yung iba talaga kuminsan nagbubukas sila ng around 10 a.m. because normally the malls here opens at 10 a.m. and it closes at midnight. So yun yung regular timings talaga nila. Ikot-ikot lang muna tayo. Ang dami talagang pasyalan dito guys sa Dubai. Kung masigasig ka lang na kahit hindi ka gumastos ng malaki, ay dala ka lang ng pang snacks. Actually, maraming budget-friendly eat-outs dito sa Dubai. Like, yun nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina, yung mga cafeterias. So, with just less than 10 dirhams, mapubusog ka na. So, kung nagbabudget talaga tayo, ang purpose natin is budget tour talaga. Kung meron lang tayong certain amount of budget na sinet aside sa tour natin dito, sa pagkain, pwede tayong mabusog na kahit hindi tayo gumastos sa malaki. Well, not unless kung may extra ka, tapos pupunta ka sa mga fine dining, sa mga mamahaling kainan, may budget ka talaga dyan. Well, it's also a very nice experience na gawin yan. So, yeah. Ayan. Ang ganda ng mga bilihin. Yan. Yan, paninda nila maganda. Yeah, she wants to give me a discount but I'm still roaming around. Yan, mga tela. So the textiles sold here are also very exquisite. Thank you. Perfume, bango. So this is so smells fruity. Smells good. Main entrance ba to? Yeah, this is the main entrance. Actually, marami ding turista. Itong mga turista sila from ibang bansa. Yan, yung mga maliliit na anik-anik na pwede pampasalubong. Yan. Ayan o. Ganda. What's this chocolate? It's free, guys.
It's free taste.
He's giving me
Milk
free.
ice cream. We
Yeah.
have a different flavor.
Yeah, it's an ice cream, so he gave me a free taste. So let's check. Masarap, guys. Masarap kasi libre. Mostly naman kasi sa mga libre, masarap talaga eh. Oh my God. Straight, left, right, left. Okay. Thank you. You too. So nakaparada tayo doon.
Where are you from?
Philippines. So
I have
he's...
also natural oils. Come
Yeah.
on, just have a check.
No, I'll come back later. Bango. Maraming straight daw. Straight, left, tapos right. Ay, ang ganda. Punta muna tayo dito. So meron siyang pa-fountain at may view ng Burj Al Arab. Look at that, guys. So this one has a very nice view here. We can see the view of Burj Al Arab. So that is it's somewhat a lagoon that the gondola is passing through. So sakay ka lang ng gondola dito at iikot-ikot na yan dyan. Makikita mo yung mga magagandang tanawin dito sa lugar na ito. I'm enjoying my day, guys, with you. Laglaag sa taginagmay ani para ma-explore nato ang beauty sa Dubai. We're heading now to the Mall of Emirates. It's just near Madinah Jumeirah. So, yeah, we will be there in a few minutes.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking.
The truck cannot pass through because there's a limit of the height of every vehicle passing through. So this is the Mall of the Emirates. The parking area of the Mall of the Emirates. So during weekdays, you have 4 hours free parking. Beyond that, you have to pay. So this is the entrance of the second level. We will enter from here. This is already the top floor of the Mall of the Emirates. We'll be heading down. Actually, this mall is also a bit big. So from that side, going to that side, in a day, you can explore this area. But it's nice. So we'll go down to the Carrefour. There's a big Carrefour over there.
Hey there, what you drinking? 2 shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gift.
Medyo matagal na rin akong hindi nakapunta dito. Kaya siguro mga inabot na rin ng isang taon mahigit, 2 taon. Guys, gadgets for vlogging. This store has lots to offer. Punta na tayo. Ang daming mga paninda dito. Even sa Carrefour, palagi silang nagsisale. So, marami ka ring mabibili dito. Diyan, may mga, yan o. Yan, snack area yan. Kung gusto mo mag-snack. Daming ano dito. Mga brands na pwede mong pag-shoppingan. May pharmacy, lahat nandito na. Merong mura, merong mahal. So, it's up to you where to shop. There's also Victoria's Secret over there if you're fan of buying Victoria's Secret stuff. So, you can shop here. Actually, this place, Mall of the Emirates, this is just connected to a metro. If you want to come here from, like, if you're staying near Al Riga or you're staying at Rashidia, like me, I'm staying at Rashidia. You just have to go to the metro station, head here. This is already connected to a metro station. So the name of the metro station that you're going to ride is, if you're heading here, is Mall of the Emirates Metro station. So guys, I'll show you the iconic dome of the Mall of the Emirates. Yeah, this one is the iconic dome. And this one. So at my back is a restaurant. You can enjoy dining at Coles. It's a famous restaurant here. There's also a Starbucks. You can have coffee there if you want. Then go shopping to all of these brands that you like to shop with. Actually, I want to go to Max. My favorite shop here at the Mall of the Emirates. Yeah, I think it's the Max store. So we'll head there because most of the items there are, you know, affordable. There's also a long jump over there. There. Zara. So they're having part sale here at Zara. See? Zara is also a good brand when it comes to the winter clothes. Before winter, if it is out of season, like if you're planning to have a vacation during winter season, so it is advisable to shop off season with the winter clothes and winter outfits, because it's still very cheap even with the high-end brands. So it's still very cheap. So don't shop clothes on its season itself because it's already expensive. Try to buy those things that you're planning to buy for your vacation off season or off peak. So let's head to Max, guys. This is mango. There's also Tommy Hilfiger. Let's get inside Max store. This is my favorite shopping store. Uh, this is Ski Dubai inside Mall of the Emirates. You can do your skiing practice here. There is also a, what we call this one, there is a summer camp here held. So you can just register and line up and get your gear for skiing. So there you have to get your tickets and then pass through here. Present your ticket or scan your ticket. So yeah, you can enjoy here at Mall of Emirates Ski Dubai. Getting their gears, those who are having summer camp. I'm at Ski Dubai. This is the shop wherein you're going to buy your gear and your jackets for the skiing.
Oh yeah, 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 oh yeah. Hey there, what you drinking? Two shots, let's pour it out. I know what you're thinking, but tomorrow won't come for us. This life that we're living, ain't never gonna give it up. Double shot for the gifted, and one more for us. There you go, drink it up. All this love in a cup. Yeah, we go slow, we go fast. Yeah, we can't get enough. We stay all day, all night, living in paradise. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life. This is the time of your life. Remember, you don't get it twice. The time of your life.